Alright, so welcome back to the channel. So more problems on the Elko, but we'll get to that in a second. But now we're gonna focus in on the new build we're gonna have coming to the channel.
Yeah.
And yeah.
Alright guys, so this is my
Hold on, you gonna tell them who you is first.
Oh, okay.
They done seen you in the videos, but they don't know who you is.
Alright, that's your boy. Vader 4 times, man. And here is my 5.3 liter iron block LS. I guess you can still call it an LS, even though it's an iron block. But this right here is gonna go on my Mustang, and that's gonna be my garage build. What we're gonna do with this motor right here is I'm probably bore it over, but first I gotta check and just see what the machine shop says about these cylinder walls. And probably bore it over, put some new pistons in there, and it's gonna be like a mild build. We're gonna throw a mild cam in there and just make it a good street strip car, you know.
Something to grudge
Something
with.
to grudge, spray some nitrous through it, and yeah.
Yeah.
And then probably keep stock heads for now, and I'll upgrade it later. But this came out of a 05 Avalanche, so it's just the stock LM7 motor.
5.3. Hey, you still, cause you pulled all the pistons and everything out yourself.
Oh yeah.
Main cap, so he still has all that. What type of heads are those?
These are the 862 heads.
862 heads.
Yep.
But yeah, like so whenever you take this, have them check the block for cracks, see what all can be reused and what can't be, and go from there.
Yep.
But yeah, it's gonna be a little grudge.
It's about to be coming soon, so stay tuned for this.
Alright, so now to this. Yeah, more problems with the Elko, which I kind of knew about the problem but didn't know about it. Let's go ahead straight over here to the relay board, which was the problem. This thing had a hairline crack in when I first put this thing together, this terminal block here, and it went ahead and split in the car not too long ago, which causing it to short out everything. So what, about a month ago when we went to that car meet?
Yeah, I think it's been about a month.
Yeah,
now.
about a month. The video that I uploaded when we went to the car meet, everything was going good till we got ready to go. Got ready to start the car up and it popped. Long story short, was tuning the car a couple days ago, maybe about a week now, and cut it off, checked the plugs, got ready to start it back up, and it popped again.
That was so weird.
Yeah. So, but the problem ended up being the terminal block on the relay board. Like I said, this thing is real thin, and I built me another relay board. It actually looks 100 times better. I'm gonna show y'all now. I already got it mounted into the car. Get my phone light so y'all can see. I went from 5 relays to 12. Y'all plan on adding some more stuff. Y'all see the little moisture. Like I said, it's done rain. It's not raining inside the car. It's just the moisture build up. But yeah. So we got 12 relays now, 2 terminal blocks, and these right here are a whole lot beefier than the first one I had. Y'all can literally see the difference in, like, this thing is thick. So I got that built. I'm not gonna do a how-to on this because there's multiple videos all over YouTube showing how to build that. But that's what's going on with the car. I'm waiting on some terminal blocks to show up now. So once they get here, then I can go ahead and start wiring up the car. There go all the wiring that I pulled out, which isn't a lot, but it's out of there. So the other thing we got going on, he is also, once he finished this is up, I think that's when he gonna start on the drag car. Yeah, this right here is the drag bike here. So it's a lot of stuff we got going on over here at 414 Performance.
Yeah,
so
behind the scenes.
Yeah. I don't even put everything on the channel that we do.
Yep.
But I'm gonna start to try to grow it a little bit.
Got to, yeah.
Yeah, but yeah, it's a Honda Ground clone.
Yep.
He done stretched it out.
He's been through it all.
Yeah, you done replaced the motor. I remember that first night you got it going. I was riding over there in the field and I kicked in second gear and that bad boy come up on me.
Yeah, I like it. Yep.
Yeah, it's got some power though.
Yeah.
Whole lot more stronger than the stock motor that's on, what, 5 speed, right?
Yeah.
4.
4, yeah.
4 speed, like I said, it's got some power to it. But But yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. Follow me on Instagram. I'm gonna start posting up there updates on the car and everything. So yeah, make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe. They can follow him on Instagram and YouTube.
Yep, it's Vader 4 times.
I'm gonna put it on the screen.
Yeah, exactly.
So yeah.